Nowhere else in options trading will you have a bigger influence on performance than entries and exits. Precisely, entries that may be followed by adjustments and exits. Every time you make a trade execution to an option position, you are incurring not only slippage, you're incurring commission load, you are incurring, you're trying to overcome that bid-ask spread, which is what we refer to as slippage, and those tendencies to over adjust when you're an active trader, when you're actively managing option trades, will more often than not take a marginal winning trade and either turn it into a break-even trade or possibly even a losing trade. So the simplest rule of thumb I like to follow is I ask myself one question. If I'm getting ready to make an adjustment, once a trade is open and you have entered a trade and you have executed entry orders, meaning you're just opening a trade, that means you could be buying an option. That means you could be buying and selling options. You're initiating a spread. Regardless of the position, once the trade is open, you have no control over entry at that point. No longer is that in your control. So then you have to decide, am I going to adjust this trade if necessary or just exit? And the question I like to ask myself is, if I were flat right now, if I had no open position on, the proposed adjustment I'm about to make, would that make sense as a brand new standalone position? And if you cannot answer yes to that question, you probably should not be making that adjustment, and you should probably just exit the trade. There's always another trade right around the corner.